Listen, I'm just going to get right into it. If your business isn't taking YouTube seriously in 2025, you're leaving money, customers, and massive brand authority on the table. YouTube isn't just another social media platform, it's the second largest search engine in the world and one of the most popular places that people spend their time online. With over 2.7 billion monthly active users and growing every year, people in the US alone spend on average 24 hours per month on the YouTube mobile app, and they spend over 48 minutes per day watching YouTube videos. Now, the businesses that are using YouTube properly are seeing roughly 5 to 10 times more engagement than those relying on short form content or traditional social media. And they're the ones turning these views into actual sales. So why are so many businesses still ignoring YouTube? Or worse, they're on YouTube, but they're just treating it like a content dump. Well, let me show you why this is a massive mistake and exactly how you can fix it. Now, here's something that most businesses don't realize. Before someone buys from you, they need 7 hours of exposure to your brand, 11 interactions with your content, and they need to do this between 4 different locations where they engage with you. Now, this is called the 7-11-4 rule, and it's a marketing principle from Google that explains exactly how trust is built before a sale happens. And this is why YouTube is such a game changer. A well-optimized YouTube channel gets people to that trust threshold passively and quickly. No cold calls, no chasing leads, just valuable content that does the selling for you. Just think about it. Would you rather try to convince a complete stranger to trust you? Or would you rather have them already convinced when they show up on your sales call or they get to your sign-up page because they've already spent hours watching your videos? Well, that's the power of YouTube. Now let me show you how this works in practice. The number one reason YouTube converts better than any other platform is because more time spent equals more trust built. Now, most marketing strategies rely on quick impressions, a few seconds on an Instagram post, a passing glance at a Facebook ad, or a 15-second TikTok video before they just scroll away. But YouTube is different. Imagine someone watches 30 minutes of your content, learning from you, seeing your expertise, and hearing your voice. By the end of that video, they already trust you. Now compare that to someone who just scrolled past a random Instagram post. The difference is night and day. Now, this is why businesses leveraging YouTube are dominating their industries. And the best part, this isn't just about organic reach, it's about how YouTube is built. Because YouTube is a free 24/7 sales machine, if you know how to use it right. Now compare that to traditional marketing, which is quite exhausting, right? Social media posts disappear in a few hours, ads stop working the second you stop paying, and email marketing is a constant battle for attention in a flooded inbox. And that's even if your email reaches their inbox. But what about a YouTube video? Well, that keeps working for you pretty much forever. A single well-positioned video can bring in leads for years without you having to do anything. That's why those using YouTube properly are seeing exponentially higher ROI than businesses just dumping money into paid ads. And in fact, if you really do it well, YouTube will pay you to acquire new customers. Now, show me another platform that will do that. I'll wait. Now, YouTube's algorithm gives you a massive advantage here. Unlike Instagram or TikTok, where your content dies within a day or a week, YouTube videos actually gain more traction over time. A video that you publish today can still get you leads and drive sales years from now. I've seen this firsthand with many of my clients, where videos that I've produced for them years ago are still getting views today, and they're still driving those viewers into their sales funnel. And because YouTube is partially search-driven, your content gets discovered when people are actively looking for solutions. So this goes even further when you realize that YouTube videos rank higher than most websites directly in Google search results too. Now, one of my clients actually gets most of their YouTube views directly from Google, not even from YouTube. Now, imagine what happens when you start showing up in YouTube search results and Google search results, recommended videos, and in people's home feeds. Well, this is why YouTube isn't just a content platform, it's an organic marketing machine. And if you're not using it properly, then you're probably just handing your competition free leads. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but YouTube is a lot of work and requires some special skills and expertise. Well, if you're trying to figure all of this out on your own, then yeah, you might be wasting your time and limited resources. But that's where LeadTube comes in. This is my company where we don't just teach YouTube strategy like a lot of these YouTube gurus here. We actually just do it all for you. We create a custom YouTube strategy tailored for your business and your audience. We produce high impact videos where we handle everything from crafting video concepts to scripting to filming to editing, and we'll even create thumbnails that actually get clicked on. Now, this is all done for you end to end, so you focus on running your business and sharing your expertise on camera, and we'll take care of the rest. And if you don't have any on-camera talent or you're not comfortable in front of a camera, well, we can actually take care of that too with our amazing team of content creators. So if you're looking to turn YouTube into your #1 source for organic leads, then you can book a free strategy call with me right now. The link is down in the description. But if you're not ready to work with my team just yet, don't worry. I share a ton of free resources on this channel to help you learn to do a lot of the stuff on your own. So now that you know why YouTube is such an incredible sales machine, the next step is really to optimize your channel and turn it into an ecosystem that brings in fresh leads every single day and then converts them into paying customers. So I break all of this down in this video here, so you can click right there to watch, or you can go down to the link in the description. Either way, I'll see you in the next video.